So welcome to Beit Neshika, Neshika House. This is our kitchen where we make all our own honey from our own hives that are in the vicinity outside of Tzfat to the north and south of us. We've harvested about 20 more or so frames, and they're chilling here, essentially getting dried out last little bit before we take them out, scrape off the wax you'll see further on, and then put them in this spinner. It's called an extractor. Now I'm going to show you as it stops spinning. We will open the front of the basket. As if it wasn't strikingly clear, here's the frame, full-size frame, that has been spun. If you look closely, I hope it's in focus, you can see there's no more honey in the cells. As opposed to the other side, which has not yet been spun because it goes the other way, the honey is still in the cells, ready to drip out for all that goodness. And now for the moment we've been waiting for, or at least we over here have been waiting for. Drum roll. As Miri, aka Carol Merrill, opens the hatch and the honey comes out. This is honey straight from the comb. We don't heat it and we don't do anything to it except give it a little filtration to get out the wax. There's a reason we're paying a little bit more for artisanal honey, because this is how we get it to you. All us, all our sweat work. And our bees, of course. And so we've finished all the frames, and just want to let you know, if you want to order online at Neshika.com, you will probably get a bottle of this very honey. This beautiful stuff, raw, unprocessed, filtered, natural, and made with 100% love.